The other thing is time management. You don't want to get to the end of the exam and realise you've only actually had time to fill out 2/3. We don't want to be at this point in GCSE losing marks because we've run out of time. What I mean by time management is you have to learn to just keep progressing, keep moving on. So if you do get to a question where you're like, I don't really know what this is, but let me have a think. Go, okay, hold on a minute, before I start thinking about it and end up just running out with like 10 minutes time has gone past without realising, sit there and go, okay, this is one I'm not really sure about, I'm gonna need to think about it, so how many marks are there? Normally I think with maths, it's let's go with a minute per mark. So let's say it's a 3-mark question, okay, you might go, I'm gonna allocate myself 3 minutes and then I'm gonna move on. Or you might say, let me allocate myself like 1 or 2 minutes to think about it. If I haven't got anywhere, I'm not really sure what I'm doing still, I'm gonna just carry on, next question. Or if you then by that point have obviously figured out what to do, obviously finish the question. So just being aware of the time on those questions where you might end up accidentally spending more time than is necessary, just so that you can get to the end. I used to put a star kind of asterisk with a pencil by the questions that I wanted to come back to so that it was easy to find. But ideally we'd have a bit of time at the end to go back through and pick up those questions that we did leave, and then just write something random if you're not really sure what to put. Just write anything related to that topic at that point, and then you can hand in your paper and you know that you have seen all of the questions, because there could be ones at the end that you actually might be fine with. Just because you might struggle in the middle of paper doesn't mean you won't understand things at the end. So you don't want to be missing out on those marks, especially because they will be the bigger mark questions. So just practice keeping moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Oh, I think I spent too much time on this question, let me just move on, if you're not sure what to write.